Yeah.
Okay, so this is my voice before helium. And this is my voice after helium. Actually, there was a lot more weirdness than this. A lot more weirdness than this before. Actually, let me try this balloon here. Maybe this is a better balloon. Hold on.
What was that? Don't die on me.
I think this is just a little bit better. Yeah, this is not as good as it was before. I think because the air kind of was diluted a little bit. We need another balloon.
No.
Okay.
We got those for free. Somebody give it to us from Aldi's. They're gone. They're dead.
All right. It was better before. You
I
admit?
know, right?
I had like the
Next
fresh
time you need to tell
because
me,
there was a hole in the balloon for a while, so it was kind of mixed.
Want to see snow? There's snow. Come on, let's see snow. Look at this. There's all this snow. Here, there's the hoodie. Look at this snow. Wow! Hop out there. Come on. Go, move. What are you doing? Get out there. Snow. Look at this. Snow. Wow. Snow. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Yeah, snow. Look at that. Snow. Look.
Rain.
No, not rain. Snow. Snow. Wow. Good girl.
All done?
No, not all done. Come on. Look. Look. Snow. Snow. Come on. Snow, come on, good girl.
All done.
No, not all done. Come on. Snow. Snow, good girl, yeah. No, not shoes. That's snow. Come on, get over here. Come on. Good girl. Yeah, Dada's over here. You're over there. You got to come this way. Good girl. Snow. Snow. See cheese? Good girl. You're the best. Can you say snow? Whoops. Say snow. Wow. Shh. What? You want to go on the sled? Hold on.
No, it's not fun.